Hello everyone. Microsoft announced that Telegram user can use Copilot on Telegram with a bot. Now open your Telegram from search box, write this address. Copilot official bot. Tap on this one. Now tap on start. Now tap on I accept. Now, based on this note, you must share your phone number which you created your Telegram with this bot. Tap on send my phone number and tap on share contact. Now, as you see, you can use Microsoft Copilot on Telegram. For example, I ask what is Telegram, and this is Copilot answer, and you can use any more option you want or ask more question you want. I hope this video was useful for you. Please subscribe to our channel for more videos. Thanks for watching.